When you click on this menu image, you'll see these options. First, we have the link name here, where we need to add the name of the parent category. In our case, it is going to be the catalog. Next, click on this select image, and then you can add your own image here. And then confirm. Next, under title, I will name it as Best Sellers, and then in the link option, I will simply add a collection and confirm. And now if I click on Catalog, you'll see that the Best Sellers collection with the image is added to this menu. I will repeat the same process once again to add another image in this mega menu. But this time, I will name it as New Arrivals. And now, if we go to Catalog, you'll see that this image is also added to the menu. We can also change these image position by simply dragging them up or down. One thing to note here is that we can change the position of this image by simply changing the link name here. For example, if I add Home option instead of Catalog, you'll see that the image is now shifted under the Home option. Another thing to note here is that you need to type the correct name here. For example, if you type Home with small h, the image will not be visible in the menu, as the first letter of Home is in capital in the menu. So make sure to avoid these mistakes. Next, I will save all the changes we've made so far. Next, you'll see that the current status of this theme is showing as a draft, so we need to publish it. So I will exit this editor now, and then I will publish this theme copy as the main theme of our store. So I will click on this Publish button and then confirm. And now if we go to our online store, you can see that the images are perfectly showing here. And if we click on it, we'll be taken to the collection pages. Of course, this menu does not look very professional, but you can make it much more attractive by adding some high-quality images here. If you are using a free Shopify theme, then this is the best choice. Alternatively, you'll find many Shopify apps in the Shopify App Store, which will help you create a professional-looking mega menu for your store. I will leave such apps links in the video description. Personally, I prefer to use a premium Shopify theme for my store, as most of the premium theme comes up with different mega menu options. And nowadays, you can get premium Shopify themes for less than $100. So it always makes sense to spend some money on premium themes, as it will not only help with the mega menu, but it will also differentiate your store from other stores that are using free themes. You can buy top-quality Shopify themes from platforms like Envato Elements and Envato Market. I've personally used these premium themes in my clients' stores, and I can confidently say that these themes are safe to use and provide better quality. For example, take a look at this Ella theme, for example. This theme offers 5 different mega menu designs to the users. This theme has over 50 pre-designed templates and many more features. Take a look at this mobile menu, for example. It is looking very professional and it makes it very easy to navigate different products. And this is only one example. You'll find hundreds and thousands of premium Shopify themes on the Theme Forest Marketplace. I highly recommend that you use these premium themes on your store. And to make your work easier, I've already created a video where I've shared some of the top-performing Shopify premium themes.